Hello everybody. Now in this video we are going to discuss on solid state in this video. Here is the question number first. How many unit NaCl present per unit cell of NaCl? Here are the four options. You have time 10 seconds. Stop it. The correct answer is none other than 4 because of Cl ion total 4 and Na ion total 4. So we can say formula is Na4Cl4. Then present per unit cell of NaCl is 4. Next question is the void space in primitive unit cell. Here because it is quite simple because H equals to 2R, volume of A cube 4 2R whole cube 8R cube. पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी हो जाएगी 0.82 0.52 then we going to void space is 48% is correct answer. Question number 3. The ratio of cave is 0.98. The structure of cave of this type has radius ratio lies in range 0.732 to 1. Hence, the coordinate number is 8 and crystal of CSCl type. Question number 4. Question number: how many octahedral and tetrahedral whole are present per unit cell of FCC arranging of atoms? The correct answer is 3, 4 and 8. Because of we know FCC arrangement total atom is 4. Total atom is octahedral void and double of it tetrahedral void. The correct answer is 3rd one. Okay. Next question is the unit cell with crystallographic dimension A is equals to B not equals to C and angular 90 degrees. So we can say that alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90. Here the dimension of tetrahedral geometry are is equal. This is all about tetrahedral geometry. So we can say correct answer is 3rd one. It's obvious. Next question, question number 6. Which is the following is not correct for ionic crystal? Either are correct, but you can say that the ionic bonding is non-directional because an ion has for same attraction from L direction for an ion of opposite charge. The we can say that the option number 4 is correct answer of this question. Yeah, this is it. The next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is when the appearance of color in solid alkali metal halide is generally due to the. So here the correct answer is gonna be is absent because of when the alkali metal halide is heated in presence of vapors of an alkali metal, then the metal vapor pressure enter in crystal lattice for an cation and anion vacancy generated respectively. Na plus of the metal atom occupies the cation vacancy and the electron will occupy the anion vacancy of Cl minus. This interest electron called the F center and this responsible for the color. Yeah. Then question number 8. Question number 8. In normal spinel structure MgAl2O4, the percentage of tetrahedral void occupied. Good question. Every exam this is question is also asked. Yeah, correct answer is 12. Yeah, correct answer is 12.5%. This is because of in oxygen form of FCC structure in which Mg plus 2 occupy tetrahedral voids and Al plus 3 ion occupy octahedral voids. Per unit cell total number of tetrahedral voids is 8 and percent of tetrahedral voids is 1 by 80 to 100 is equal to 12.5%. Yeah. In question number 9. Yeah, this is also good question. A metallic element crystallizes into lattice having a layering sequence of AB types. Any packaging of sphere leave out the voids in lattice. Determine what percent volume by lattice is input space. Yeah, correct answer is 26%. This is quite simple. You can draw it. I will provide solution in comment box. Next question and final question of a solid state. The molecular formula of non-stereochemical oxide containing Sn second and Sn for ions Sn 4.44 and O8 there. Therefore, the molar ratio of Sn second and Sn for the approximately. Yeah, correct answer is 1:4. It's correct because we can let the one molecule given substance number of moles of Sn second is x and Sn for the y mole. X plus y is 4.4 and x 2x plus 4y is equals to 14. Yeah. So we can say gonna x is equals to 0.88 and y is gonna equal to 3.56. So approx ratio is 1:4. If you think, you comment next topic on your topic you want to use, and also enter your Gmail comment section so we can provide solution of these questions. Thank you for watching. Comment below your marks getting out of 10. Thank you very much.